We're doing the first 10 problems from the 2005 AMC 10A. Let's go up there. There you go. Starting now, while eating out, Mike and Joe each tipped over $2. Mike tipped 10% of the bill, and Joe tipped 20% of his bill. What's the difference in dollars between their bills? So, $2, 10% means multiplied by 10, so we get 20. If 20% is multiplied by 5, we get 100%, so multiplied by 5, we get 10. 20 minus 10 is 10, so it's D. So, this is just an operation here. And we can just do this 1 minus 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3 over negative 1, so negative 3 and 3, so we have negative 3, 0 over negative 3 minus 3, which is just 0 over negative 6, which is just 0. So, next one. So you see that x is going to equal negative 2, so we get negative 2b minus 10 equals negative 2, b equals negative 4 from there, which is just b. So rectangle with this diagonal. This is x, so that means that the square root of 5y squared, right, is going to equal x. Squaring both sides, you get 5y squared equals x squared. Which means y squared equals x squared over 5. Okay? So 2y squared, so 2 times x squared over 5, which is just 2 over 5 x squared. It should be b. Pretty simple problem there. Moving on. They sell $100 each of the stores offering one free window. Okay, so for each person, 4. So for 1, so every 5, we get 1. And so 7 windows. So we can do 7 over 5 to Florida, so it's just 1. 8 over 5 to Florida, it's just 1. So 15 over 5, Florida is just 3. So we're saving a total of 2. So it's 2 times 100. 3 times 100 minus 2 times 100 is just 100. So it's just A. So mean of 20 numbers is 30. So it just means, I'm going to say the average. So that we do the average times the number of numbers is the sum of the numbers. So it'd just be 600. Same for this guy, 600. And we have the average of 50. So 1200 over 50 is just 24. We know that already. It's just B. Josh and Mike live 13 miles apart. Josh and Mike. So yesterday Josh started to ride his bicycle towards Mike's house. A little later, this guy did this. When they met, Josh had ridden for twice the length of time as Mike had, but at 4/5 of Mike's rate. So basically, he had ridden 8/5 of how much? Because 2 times the 4/5 of the distance. So he's ridden basically 8/5 of the Mike's distance, and then plus m equals 13. So we could be able to v multiplied by 5. 8m plus 5m equals 675. So, 65, right? Because so it means m is equal to 5. Right now, m is equal to 5. Therefore, because 65 over 5 is 65 over 13 is 5. So move on. Active side AB is root 50, and B is 1. Okay, that's also root 50. That's 7. That's 7. That's also 7, which means that's 8. The area of the inner square is just, it's also 7. It's just that. So that's just 7 minus 1 is 6. So it should be 6 times 6 is 36. Move on. Tiles are marked X. Okay. So we have 3 tiles X, 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 and 2 tiles marked O. So we have a 3/5 chance of pulling on O immediately. So to eliminate this guy, we have a 1/2 chance. And then we have a 2/3 chance now. So that's these guys. And then the O, 1/2, and then we have just 1 left. So that's just 1. So 1/4, so it'd be 2 over 12. 6 over 60, just 1/6. Should be C. 6 over 60 is not 1/6, it's 1/10. I'm sorry. I'm not doing. Well, what am I doing? Okay. So this is that. There's only one solution for X. Okay. That's just the same thing as this. Right? Am I wrong? which would just make this 12. Right? Basically, just means that's 4, and that's negative 20. That's, yeah. We basically just need to get, it's 12. It should just be 4 and 8. It should just be 4. And then what else? Oh, we can also do, that's just minus 12. So now it'll just be minus 20. So 4 minus, which would be minus 16, I'm pretty sure. Wooden cube n units on a side is, so it's a wooden cube like this guy. So it's n units on a side. On a side. This is n units. And then cut to n cube unit cubes. And then basically, so 6n squared is the total surface area. And then we're cutting this basically into n cubed unit cubed, right? Is that how? So 6 faces. Cut in, so we're dividing it by n cubed. We're cutting these n cubed, and exactly 1/4 of these is red. Cube and use outside pin red on all 6 faces. So, does this mean this is 1/4? Is that what it means? That only makes sense because we're cutting this. We're cutting, dividing to n cubed unit cubed. It tells 1/4 of this basically. Total number of faces. Yeah, 100%. So that's just, sorry. So 1 over n equals 1 over 4, so n equals 4. So n equals 4.